Alright, so it's just me and you. Got some little alone time with you. When I do my makeup looks on camera, I love to go all out because this is my playtime. And when I do like a basic, easy, everyday look, I don't ever film it because I'm going somewhere and, you know, I just never feel like it was worth really doing. So, I'm going to do my routine. A flawless beat with neutral colors, but it's not a cake face, if that makes any sense. You always want to start with the clean face. So my face is clean, then I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. So normally, you'll let that soak into your skin for about 5 minutes. If you have oily skin, I do recommend you doing this trick because I've learned this trick and it works fabulous, darling. Fabulous. I'm going to take a translucent powder. And when I mean this trick works wonders, it works wonders. Like, it does. I'm going to put it in all my little oily areas. And you're definitely going to blend it out. Just pat, pat, pat. If you're not a grease monkey like me, skip this step. Primer is very important. My favorite primer is the Can't Stop Won't Stop by NYX. My second favorite primer is the Becca Mattifying Primer. This step, do not skip. You can skip the translucent powder part, but do not skip your primer. Now I'm going to moisturize my lips. I can't tell you what this chapstick is because I don't know. But it came from Walmart, 2 in a pack. My foundation. You can use the foundation of your choice. Mine is NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. My beauty blender. And I'm going to wet it. With just water. Some people use a setting spray. Some people use water. So this is a oil-free mattifying foundation. Take some more off your hand. And dab, 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 dab. Golding mixed with my foundation. Bam, bam. Come on. There we go. Had it on the wrong side. Okay. Blend, 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 blend. Get in the corners. Yes, honey, yes. When I be mixing my concealer with my foundation, I don't always get the same color every time. I'm going in with my brown mascara. So now, I'm going to take my concealer and trace my brows.
You said it.
You want to make sure that you are steady hand. Be very careful. Steady hand. See, I messed up already. Not having that steady hand, and I was telling y'all, steady hand. So I'm doing a voiceover for this part of the video because I have the baby. He's making a few little crying noises. I'm blending out that concealer. I want to blend it until you can't tell that it's even there. Now I'm going to add my transition color, and I'm using my face powder to do so. And I'm only adding that in the transition area with windshield wiper motions. Yes. Next, I'm going to add my contour shade. And I'm going to place that in my crease area. Right underneath that transition. And blend, blend, blend with windshield wiper motions. Yes. Now, I love highlighters. Oh my God, I love a good highlight color. So I'm going to go in to my Revolution palette and grab my highlighter and place that underneath my brow bone. Now you can use any highlighter of your choice. Yes, blend it, blend it, blend it. Going back in the highlighter and place that in my tear duct and feather it out. Now I always got to have a highlight in my tear duct. Now I'm setting my concealer underneath my eye with a translucent powder. The same translucent powder that I used earlier before I put on my primer and foundation. And I'm going to blend it in and then brush it off with a fluffy brush. Going back in that same highlighter palette. Yes, honey. And I'm going to use this as my lid color. So I'm utilizing that whole quad of a palette of highlighters for this whole entire look. The eyeshadow look is very, very easy. Now, I'm going to add a dark brown to the outer V. And I'm using my NYX palette. I have a lot of NYX products. I love NYX. And place that right in that outer V. And along the bottom lash line as well. Moving on to liner. It's my favorite e.l.f. liner, and I believe it's only $1, no more than $2, depending on the location. And I'm going to create a little wing. Not too much of a big wing.
Now. Right? Say, who is this beautiful lady? Oh, you smiling. Who is this beautiful lady?
I put my contour on. Before I put my setting powder. Oh, I'm gonna tell you why. My setting powder, and the reason I do that is because I want my contour to sit behind my setting powder so it looks like a shadow. Right. Going into my same highlight powder. Yes. But yeah, this is it. This is it.